Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding a shortcut to a community in X. Adding shortcuts to your favorite communities allows for quick and easy access to the content that matters most to you. So, let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Take a moment to launch the app and ensure you're on the home screen. Step 2. Look for the middle icon in the bottom drawer of the app. Give it a tap to access the community section. Step 3. Scroll through the available communities and find the one you want to add a shortcut for. Once you've located it, tap on its icon to enter the community. Step 4. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on these lines to open the community settings. Step 5. Within the community settings, you'll find an option labeled Add Shortcut. Tap on it to create a shortcut for the community. By adding a shortcut to a community in X, you can easily navigate and stay connected to the communities that interest you the most. It's a convenient way to access your favorite content and engage with like-minded individuals. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to add a shortcut to a community in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.